all the color chemistry can be reused up to basically like 20 times per liter. We've got a bunch more than a liter in these jugs, and we're adding more. So these jugs are probably going to be good for 40 or 50 rolls, but we just have to check the label every time we add a roll. That's just internal policy, I guess. And then when we're done, so yeah, all the chemicals will go back in the tanks when we're done. Nothing gets dumped, everything gets reused. And similarly different from black and white film, all color films get developed for 3.5 minutes. No variation between developing times. So whatever brand, whatever speed, whatever, you can just dump them all in one tank and do them for 3.5 minutes. Yeah, and the developer it changes color over time. And eventually it might well end up like as dark as the Blix starts out. And then the Blix is 6.5 minutes. And the Blix does something called off-gassing sometimes. So that can cause the top of the tank to get a little bit loose. I've heard tales of the top of the tank actually just like popping off on people, but I've never seen it happen in real life, so I don't know if it's actually true. And also different between color and black and white. When you're washing the color film, you want the water to be about 100 degrees. Stabilizer at room temperature. It's fine. Put the top back on. I'm going to set this to 1 minute, but it doesn't have to be like the full minute. It just has to be like 30, 45 seconds. It doesn't need to be more than a minute. Cool.